Hi, this is the VIVO Y21S and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application, tap to network and internet. To activate Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher and after that you'll see here all of the available networks. Just select one from the networks and enter the password. To see this password, you should click here to show password checkbox, then just tap to connect button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that we could see that our network successfully connected to the device or device to the network. After that, if you want to ensure use more networks, you could do that. You should just enter by the same way the password, tap to connect, and after that you'll see here all of your saved networks with the passwords. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open first the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Just click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and to launch Wi-Fi settings you should hold it for a while. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.